Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password of Magicform AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your password on Magicform, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in platform.magicform.ai and make a search. Log into your account if you are not logged in and it will take you to the home page of Magicform AI's account. Tap on Settings at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will end up on the Settings page of Magicform AI's account. Scroll down and click on User Account option. Now all you need to do is scroll all the way down and tap on Reset Password option. Create a new password for your Magicform AI's account and tap on Update Password option. Your password will be updated in no time. This is how you can reset your password on Magicform AI's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.